Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use banners, headers and footers on Substack. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to substack.com/publish/home and sign into your account. Now the first thing what we want to do is add or change your banner. So this is your header image. So this is the image at the top of your Substack publication homepage. So what we need to do is obviously come to the website and log in. Then we need to click on the profile icon and click in the settings. If you don't find it here, we can click on settings on the top menu like so. Then from here, we've got all these different tabs on the left-hand side. Okay, from here on the left-hand side, click onto where it says emails. Then it's going to say email sender name, like so, and then it'll say email header and footer. So add content to the top and bottom of every email post. So go ahead and click on the edit button. From here, go ahead and upload your banner image. Recommended size is 1200 by 300 pixels and file formats is JPEG, PNG. Also, if we come back to emails, you might want to go ahead and change your email sender name. So this is the name that appears in the from field of your emails. Also, if we come back to email header and footer, click onto edit, scroll down, and this is where you can edit your email footers. So footer for all posts, but you need to have a current subscription to edit your email footers. As it says here, I'm just using a trial one. So it says Tutorial Substack is free today, but if you enjoyed this post, you can tell Tutorial Substack that their writing is valuable by pledging a future subscription. You won't be charged unless they enable payments. So this is the footer for all posts, and to go ahead and edit it, we can edit like so. Now if you want to go ahead, just go ahead and delete all of that and then add in your signature and then head back. Make sure to save it. So I'm going to go back here and then click on the save button at the bottom right hand corner of the page. Also, if you want more design controls, we can do so. So if we head back to settings and then click on the website, from here we can choose a custom theme. We can go to the website theme editor here and we can go ahead and change the colors and the branding. On the left hand side we've got branding. We can change this stuff here, the colors, the font and all that stuff. I'll go back here, and also the home page, we can change that as well.